Welcome back, money growers. I think that's what I'm going to start calling you guys now. Since the channel's called Money Growth Project, I'm going to call you guys money growers. Tell me if you guys have any issue with that. So one thing you guys hopefully don't have any issue with today is actually if you are trying to grow your money, I'm going to be going over the Navy Federal Credit Union nRewards secured credit card. So guys, go ahead and give this video a like. So if you're someone who's really trying to build your credit and you're looking for a secured credit card, Navy Federal Credit Union is probably the most popular credit union in America. That's the one I hear people talk about the most and all kinds of positive feedback. So if you're looking to build your credit, it can be a great credit union to go ahead and be able to start a relationship with. So we're going to jump in here to the requirements and do a pretty thorough review of everything you need to know for the nRewards card. Now the requirements are before you apply for the nRewards secured card, your $200 minimum deposit must be in your Navy Federal savings account. So you do have to be a member already of Navy Federal. And if you're not in the military, you can get in through family affiliation as one of the better ways to get in. I have heard some people try different hacks to try to get membership, but I'm not going to cover those here today. Now, on this secured card, it can be, like I said, a minimum of $200, but up to $5,000 deposit. So if you got a lot of cash and you want to put more in, then you can definitely do that. Now, fortunately, it's only 3 months, okay? After 3 months, they're going to review your card for an automatic increase without you having to put in any more money, okay? So just, 90 days, all you have to do is show that you've been responsible with the card, and then they're going to give you that automatic increase. Doesn't cost you $1. Now, after 6 months, the card can graduate to an unsecured account, okay? You will get your money back, and then the card becomes unsecured. So whether you put in $200, $1,000, $5,000, you're going to get all that cash back. Now you just have a normal unsecured credit card. Now the benefits, well, this first one's not a benefit. The interest rate is going to be 18%, okay? Variable interest rate, 18%. But with the card, you are going to get one point per every dollar spent. So, hey, you are going to get some points with this. There's no rewards limit on this. Points can be redeemed for cash, statement credit, gift cards, and merchandise. You do have cell phone protection, you have rental car coverage, and you do also earn dividends on your deposit. So just like any other savings account that Navy Federal has, so you are going to get to earn some dividends on whatever money that you have that you put in the account as a deposit initially. Now, when it comes to all Navy Federal Credit Union cards, here's what they do offer, okay? They have no balance transfer fees, they have no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees, and no annual fees except for one, the flagship, which I actually already did a video on. The flagship, even that's like $49 as of making this video. It's a small fee. All the rest of their cards, they have no annual fee, which is part of the reason people love Navy Federal, because of all this stuff I just read to you right here. So people really love that about them, and oftentimes their interest rates are lower too than other credit cards. Now you do want to know though that you can only have 3 personal credit cards with Navy Federal. Business cards are something different. But when it comes to personal credit cards, you can only have 3. They do have 6 credit cards available total, including that secured card. So really, of the 5 unsecured cards, you could have 3 of those. Now, credit limit increases. This is what I want to talk about here, because part of this is stuff I've been told by, staff members who work at Navy Federal, and part of it's stuff I've just gathered online from people. I'm sure people are going to chime in the comments section on this, and I welcome that for people to chime in and tell me their experience. So once you get to that point where you have an unsecured card, right, that you're done with the secured card, you've graduated, you've shown you're responsible, now you're with the unsecured card, and at some point you're going to want to increase your credit limit, right, and continue to get higher limits and be able to reduce your utilization and show that you're able to handle more money, right? That's what banks, credit unions like to see. They like to see someone who's a responsible user of the money. Now, Navy Federal Credit Union, if you don't request a credit limit increase, they will automatically review your card for a credit limit increase after your first year. So at the 13th month mark, Navy Federal Credit Union will review your card and increase your limit based on your info. And your info means utilization rate, on-time payments, right? All the same stuff you were doing when you had a secured card that you're showing you're responsible with your money. Exact same concept. So when they review your card, it will be a soft inquiry. Now, what I was told by staff member at Navy Federal saying that if you request before 13 months, then it will be a hard inquiry if you request a credit limit increase before that full year has been completed, okay? Now, I was also told that if it doesn't qualify for the increase after 13 months on its own, Navy Federal Credit Union will look automatically every month to increase it for you. Now, Navy Federal Credit Union will review every 180 days, which will be a soft inquiry, after the 13th month review and raise your limit if you qualify. Again, I was told if you request before 180-day mark, then it will be a hard inquiry. Now, continuing when it comes to credit limit increases, okay, this is something else that you want to know. Now, I'll put this quote up here at the top that I got from Navy Federal when I applied for the flagship card, and I just asked if I could get a higher initial amount, and they told me they could not, but they did give me this quote here that says, hey, you may apply for an increase to this credit limit at any time. However, Navy Federal typically requires a new account to be open at least 3 months before approving an increase to its credit limit. So that's where some people will talk about, you see that 91-3 rule or 91/3. That's where people will apply for credit limit increase after 3 billing cycles or 91 days, typically whichever one's shorter. So that's one of the rules people say. 3 billing cycles, 91 days, they'll apply for a credit limit increase. Now, if you apply before then it's essentially guaranteed that you're going to get denied a credit limit increase. Now, I put this down here as a rumor because I've seen different things and heard different things, but I'm going to test this out when I request my credit limit increase. That applying for this increase, so say you wait the 91 days and you apply for the increase, I've heard that applying for the increase using the app or doing it online can result in it just being a soft pull, so no hard pull on your no hard inquiry. So which is good because, and by the way, I was told by staff member at Navy Federal that about 90% of the time they pull TransUnion and 10% of the time they pull Equifax. So one thing that is guaranteed, though, that's universal, I've heard people comment on this, I've been told this by Navy Federal, is that if you make the limit increase request over the phone, then it's going to be a hard pull. That's what I've had people say, which is why people go on the app or on the website, because people have said that they've been able to do it, and it's only a soft pull. Navy Federal denies it. Okay, Navy Federal has told me that no matter which method you use, it's going to be a hard pull. But people are telling me that they've had the experience of doing it on the app or online, and it's been a soft pull. So we're going to see here, at least I'm going to see going forward, and when that happens, I'll let you guys know. And if you guys like this, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Talking secured credit card, not as much to talk about, kind of a quick video, but I do appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you being awesome. Let me hear what you have to say about this down in the comments section if you have any experience with the secured credit card or the whole credit limit increase or that kind of thing. I really like hearing other people's feedback, particularly when it comes to Navy Federal Credit Union. So, hey, thank you for being so awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.